Meaning of hardwood.
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 Hardwood. Hardwood refers to a type of wood derived from deciduous trees, or trees that shed their leaves annually. Unlike softwoods, which come from evergreen coniferous trees, hardwoods are denser, stronger, and more complex in structure, with visible pores and growth rings. Common examples of hardwoods include oak, maple, and cherry. Due to their durability and aesthetic appeal, they are often used in furniture, flooring, and construction. In summary, hardwood refers to a dense, strong type of wood that grows on deciduous trees and is commonly used in various applications due to its durability and beauty.